Hi guys and welcome to another video. So in this video I'm gonna talk about how to read files. So let's get started. Let's create a new file. Okay, I'm gonna save as reader. I'm gonna came to the same folder. I'm gonna call reader. Okay, and what we're gonna do is basically read a text file. Okay, so let's read a text file. So to do that, we're gonna use the open function again, and that's some ways to do this, but I'm gonna do the most basic way. So let's create a new object called reader, which would be equal open. Okay, so I need to pass some object here, which the first argument is the name of the file. So I'm gonna rename this file that we created in the last video, and I'm gonna get its name. So let's add the extension. So the argument to read the file is R, okay, reading. So to read the file, we could just do the following text equal reader dot read, okay, and I'm gonna call the function print, and let's pass text. So if I do this, I'm gonna be able to see the text inside of this text file. So if I execute, I'm gonna see the text that is inside of this text file. Okay, so it's the most basic. Later on the next section of this course, which will be Python Intermediate, you're gonna see how more advanced topics on writing and reading files. Okay, so but that's it, guys. I hope you like and see you guys next time.